What's up everybody, this is Zeeshan Janjua and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a 5-part series in which we are going to cover 100 words that you can use instead of using very with every single word. As a new English learner, you have a limited amount of words that you know that you use while you are speaking. So in order to give them more meaning, you are using very with every single word. So this is going to change for you today. First of all, if you guys haven't yet subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time for my latest content updates. Enough with the chit chat, let's start with number 1. Number 1 is very short. Brief. Give me a brief description of this picture. Give me a brief description of this picture. 2. Very clean, spotless. There were no smudges on the mirror. It was spotless when I looked into it. There were no smudges on the mirror. It was spotless when I looked into it. Number 3. Very quick, rapid. Looking at the current critical situation, the guard took a rapid action. Looking at the current critical situation, the guard took a rapid action. Number 4. Very sad, sorrowful. The sorrowful story of hers left me speechless. The sorrowful story of hers left me speechless. Number 5. Very cold, freezing. The weather outside is freezing. The weather outside is freezing. Number 6. Very calm, serene. He has a serene nature ever since he was a child. He has a serene nature ever since he was a child. 7. Very funny, hilarious. Yesterday, we met a hilarious guy on the road. Yesterday, we met a hilarious guy on the road. 8. Very rich, wealthy. She comes from a wealthy family. She comes from a wealthy family. Number 9. Very expensive, costly. This handbag was a costly purchase I have ever made. This handbag was a costly purchase I have ever made. 10. Very bright, luminous. I saw a luminous object in the dark. I saw a luminous object in the dark. 11. Very exciting, exhilarating. This is an exhilarating turn of events. This is an exhilarating turn of events. 12. Very busy, swarmed. My schedule for this week is swarmed. My schedule for this week is swarmed. 13. Very wet, soaked. My gloves are soaked in mud by working in it. My gloves are soaked in mud by working in it. 14. Very clear, obvious. This is an obvious pick. This is an obvious pick. Number 15. Very happy, ecstatic. I am ecstatic to hear about this news. I am ecstatic to hear about this news. 16. Very careful, cautious. Everyone should be cautious while driving in the rain. Everyone should be cautious while driving in the rain. Number 17. Very big, massive. He is hiding behind that massive rock. He is hiding behind that massive rock. 18. Very special, exceptional. Samir had done an exceptional job at the fundraiser. Samir had done an exceptional job at the fundraiser. Number 19. Very sorry, apologetic. After realizing his mistake, he was all apologetic about his behavior. After realizing his mistake, he was all apologetic about his behavior. 20. Very long, extensive. Our maths professor has done an extensive research on this topic. Our maths professor has done an extensive research on this topic. So we have covered first 20 words out of 100 in this video. I hope this video will help you with your English speaking, and I'll be seeing you in the part 2. Till then, take care.